So here is just for you to see my sticky melty dashboard. I really don't understand why you guys give a recall to the US and other countries and don't give to us, Subaru Brazil. We have the same problem that is going around the world, and you guys don't care about us. The thing is that Caoa, the Brazilian representative, they say that Subaru doesn't want to fix it. Here you can see totally sticky. It's cracking already, and nobody cares. So it's amazing. I need to make a lawsuit to have a recall of my dashboard. I'm not gonna spend money on this because it's not my fault. It's not my fault. This is Subaru's fault, and Subaru should send or allow them to change my dashboard. This is totally unacceptable. Totally unacceptable. I'm in Brazil, and you can see the same problem that you have in the US. It's a 2009 Subaru Outback, brand new car. The only problem in this car is the dashboard. There's nothing to do with it. It's perfect condition, perfect, mint conditions. It's like a brand new car, and I need to drive the car with this thing. And when the sun comes here, really strong, not now, but it reflects on the windshield, and I can see a thing sometimes, depending on the direction of the sun and the position of the sun. So I should have respect as a consumer. I should have respect. Should have respect. And because of this, I'm not going, my wife doesn't agree with me to buy a new Outback. So we are losing money with this. See? Super melty. Look at my hand. What's going on? It's terrible. It's like a glue in my hand. So please respect us. Do something, because Caoa said that's your fault, not mine. Thank you very much. Take care.